How to add photos and videos on InShot. To do that, you can simply go on the Google Play Store or App Store on your device. After you go on the Google Play Store or App Store on your device, on the top search bar, you can simply search for InShot and install it. If you have already installed it, then you can simply open InShot on your phone. And now, if you want to edit the photos, then you can tap on the photo section. If you want to edit the videos, then you can tap on the video section. If you want to make the collage of the photo, then you can simply tap on the third option. But if you want to add photos on the video, then you can simply tap on video. After tapping here, I've already a draft zip, so I'll just tap here. So after tapping on the save draft, an interface like this will be shown. So just tap on the plus button. After tapping on the plus button, there is two options, blank. If you tap on the blank option, then a blank page will be added on your video. If you tap on videos or photos, then you can choose any videos or photos that you want to from your Google Photos or gallery, and you can simply edit your video. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.